Here we are going to talk about selection sort, so how it is working. We will discuss about that. So in the case of selection sort, what is happening? You are dividing the complete array or list into two parts. One is sorted part and the other one is unsorted part. So 0 to k is sorted, so nothing to do about that. You will start from k to size -1 and you will sort this part. So in this case, what is happening? So you want, first you will find the minimum value that between the kth position to size -1. Now you will swap this minimum value with the kth value and you will perform this operation till the end. So these two value will be k and m value will be swapped. So here we will get the minimum value and then it will go and k will be this one and the remaining element will be so k will be here and m value will come here. Then we will increase the pointer, then we will perform this operation in the this unsorted part. Like this it will be running to size -1 time. So you can see in this example what is happening. This one is my kth element and this one is size -1. So what we will be doing, we will be finding the minimum element inside this particular unsorted array. So minimum element is this one, -17. So this 3 and -17 will be swapped in pass 1. Right? So you can see these two values are swapped. Now the value of k is here. So this one you can call pass 1. Now 12 is present here. Now what we will be doing, we will be searching the next minimum element. You can see here -5 is the next minimum element, so these two values will be swapped in the second pass. So this one is pass 2, so it will go up to the size -1. So size -1 minus k -1 time it will go. Now what you will do, you will see the next minimum element. So this 3 and this particular value 12 will be swapped now in pass 3. So like that it will go until and unless you are reaching to the end. So in the and finally you are getting the sorted array. So how many pass you needed to make here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many element? There are 8 element. So you need to run this into up to 7 times. So like this it is working. If you see the algorithm of this particular selection sort, so you can see here I will pass the array and I will pass the size of the unsorted array here. So I, j and a small value. So you will be starting from 0 and you will be going up to n-1. So here suppose just for an example I am taking one value 8, 7, 5, 4, 9, 6, right? So this for loop will run from 0 to n-1, right? It will go not n-1, n-1. So here it will go 0 to 5. Now in the small, I'm just keeping the ith element. I, so I is in small. So in small, I'm keeping 0 here. Now j equal to, so if I'm keeping here in I 0, so I'll compare this element with all the remaining element. So that's why j loop is starting from I plus 1 and then it is going to up to n. So it will check. So I plus 1 is here 1. So it will check array 1. Array 1 is 7. 7 is less than array I. So 7 is compared to 8. Is 7 less than 8? No. So small value will not be changed. Now it will go up to here. When it will reach here, it will reach here, so it will swap. In this case also, like it will swap. So array j is 7. That is less than array is small, yes, so here swapping will be done. Again swapping will be done like this. It will go up to this particular loop. Now at the end you will update the value of small here. So here the value of small will be 3, right? And later on it will swap the minimum element. So array small is 4. 4 is saved into the temporary variable, and then array I. So the value of I is 0. So array 0, that is the 0th position, and array, that is the array small, will be swapped. So you will so in the first case the value of I is 0, so it will be swapped with 0. In the next loop the value of I will be 1, so this value will be swapped with the minimum value. So like this it will go up to the number of element minus 1 time. So if you see the complexity part for this one, so it is again n square time. So this for loop, this for loop, 2 for loop are there, loop within loop. So this is also going to n minus 1 time approximately, and this one is also going to n minus 1 time. So n cross n will be n square time approximately. This is the best case and worst case scenario of the selection sort algorithm, a time complexity of the selection sort algorithm. That is it about the selection sort.